So when students submit the answer to multiple choice questions, then what you can do is you can grade out as well. So over here you can see that I am in the teacher's view and I have a class comment over here, and a student has submitted Microsoft Office right here. So if I were to go around, I can see that this is what I have right here. If I were to go around onto the question, then you can see that a student has commented on this question as well. And then if I were to go to student answers, then one student turned this in, as you can see, and one student has turned Microsoft Office as the answer, and you can see who has actually answered that out. If I were to go around over here, then you can see that this is turned in and the student has chosen Microsoft Office and it is not graded yet right here. So I can simply go around over here and you can see that the full marks is set to 10 points. So I'm just going to go around and add in 10 right here, just like this. And 10 out of 10 is actually saved out. So this is in the draft mode, and if you want to publish this marks to the student, then you can simply go around and return this right here. And I'm going to go around and say good job right here, just like this. I can add in a comment and return this out right here, and what happens is that the marks will be published, and the student got 10 by 10, and that is how you can grade out the submitted multiple choice question. So hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe